What if some mythical creatures weren't myths at all? Ancient humans across the world described the same terrifying beings. Tonight, we're uncovering 5 creatures that may be rooted in real encounters. And stay to the end, because the final creature is the most disturbing of all. 1. The Wendigo. The Wendigo comes from Native American legends of the northern forests. It was said to be tall, thin, and starving, no matter how much it ate. People described glowing eyes, long limbs, and a heart made of ice. Those who saw it said it moved silently through the trees. But here's where it gets weird. The Wendigo was often linked to real cases of cannibalism during harsh winters. Historians recorded something called Wendigo psychosis. People believed they were turning into monsters after eating human flesh. Was this a supernatural curse, or the human mind breaking under survival pressure? 2. The Manticore. The Manticore was feared in ancient Persia and Greece. It was said to have the body of a lion, the face of a man, and a tail of spikes. Stories claimed it could fire poisoned barbs at its victims. Villages believed it hunted humans specifically, but the story doesn't end there. Greek writers likely based the Manticore on real animals brought back by traders. Lions, tigers, even porcupines, seen briefly, described badly, then exaggerated. Could fear and distance have created a monster? 3. The Kraken sailors feared the Kraken more than storms. It was described as a massive beast that could drag ships underwater. Tentacles, huge eyes, a body as large as an island. Many sailors swore they saw it rise from the sea. But here's where it gets strange. Giant squid were officially discovered centuries later. They can reach over 40 feet long. They live deep. They surface rarely. Was the Kraken just an early encounter with something science hadn't named yet? 4. The Cyclops. The Cyclops was a one-eyed giant from Greek mythology. It lived in caves and was said to eat humans. For centuries, this was dismissed as pure fiction, until ancient skulls were discovered. But the story doesn't end there. Ancient elephant skulls have a large central hole. Early humans mistook this for a single giant eye socket. Without anatomy knowledge, the conclusion was simple. Giants were real. 5. The dragons appear in cultures that never met. Europe, China, Africa, the Americas. They were said to fly, breathe fire, and guard land. Ancient people feared them deeply. But here's the unsettling part. Early humans regularly found massive dinosaur fossils. Skulls, claws, teeth, bigger than anything alive. Without science, dragons were the only explanation. And even today, we're still discovering new species buried underground. So were these creatures myths or misunderstood encounters with the real world? Maybe ancient humans weren't imagining monsters. Maybe they were trying to explain what they couldn't yet understand. And the truth might be stranger than the legends.